Congratulations on receiving a gold medal. How do you feel about your results?
Çox sağ olun. Doğrudan da bizim üçün yaxşı nəticədir. Yəni tarixə düşdük. Azərbaycan birinci dəfə dünya kubokunda çempion olur.
I thank you. This is the first time that Azerbaijan got the gold medal.
Who do you think was the best opponent against you? Which country today?
Ən yaxşı rəqib elə çətin rəqiblər çox idi. Yəni İranla da çətinlik çəkdi, yəni Koreya ilə də çətinlik çəkdi. Ən çox İranla.
We had a good proponent today. The Korea was the best, and the Iran was the best. But the worst opponent was Iran, I think.
And if you want to pick one person out of your team who played the best, who performed the best, who would you say it was?
Biz öz komandamızda ən güclüsü mənim üçün Miladdır, Milad Beyci.
The Milad Beygi was the best person from our team.
Thank you. Okay, I'm going to start by getting you into trouble. Who do you think out of your friends, your team, performed the best today?
Bugünkü timimizdə hamımız güclüydü, amma bu günümüzdə ən güclüsü Milad Beyci idi. Milad Beyci.
We were great. Our performance was great in this play, but I think the best one was Milad Beygi.
Finally, do you have a message for your friends, fans and family back home in Azerbaijan?
Bəli, otelə gedən kimi sadəcə xəbər verəcəyik ki, biz Dünya Kubokunun çempion olmuşuq. Azərbaycan tarixində taekwondo üzrə birinci dəfə bu Dünya Kubokunu qazanmışıq.
Back to Azerbaijan, we want to say that this is the first medal that is going to, in the history of the taekwondo, is going to the Azerbaijan, and we are happy from that.
Okay, thank you.
Azerbaijan!